Hi, it's Rebecca at Design and Adorn, and I'm so excited to show you my newest Kumihimo design. This is the Decadence Bracelet. Check this out. This is beaded Kumihimo on memory wire with our very favorite Unicorne teardrop beads. This is a 3-wrap bracelet, 1, 2, 3 wraps. This is what the back of it looks like. I'm gonna take it off here for a second. So when you're wearing a memory wire bracelet, you want to coil it around your wrist. So just like open it up a bit, get your hand in there and then start wrapping around, and then you can sort of give it a shove there. You don't want to try to just shove your hand into it. Same thing when you're taking it off, just hook the end here and just uncoil it. So that's how memory wire works. This is a fantastic project that is great for all levels of Kumihimo braiders. These are size 8 seed beads, so these are really easy to work with. The braiding is very straightforward, top right down, bottom left up. This is a standard Congo gumi. You are braiding around a core, so we don't recommend this for your very first Kumihimo project, but if you've done some beaded Kumihimo before, then you can totally do this. And then as far as the memory wire part of it goes, that's just basic bead stringing. As far as tools go, you're going to need your standard Kumihimo tools. So you're going to need your Kumihimo disc, your weighted bobbins, and your center weight scissors. And then what's special, because of the memory wire, you're going to need a round nose plier so that you can turn this little loop at the end there. And then you also want to have memory wire cutters. It's really important that you use memory wire cutters so that you don't ruin your other cutters. Memory wire is a hardened spring steel. The memory wire that's in your kit is a silver plated steel, and it's very, very hard. That's how it keeps its shape. That's where the memory comes from in memory wire. So if you use your regular cutters, one of two things will happen. One, it won't cut the memory wire, or two, it will cut the memory wire, but it will ruin your cutters. So you always want to use memory wire cutters when working with memory wire. So that's the only like specialty tool that you might not already have in your toolbox, but we do sell memory wire cutters if you need those. So a bit about sizing. Memory wire stretches on your wrist, right? So it's one size fits many. The size wrist that it will fit depends on how big the beads are and then how many wraps. So this is a 3-wrap bracelet, and your kit comes with 2.5 inch memory wire. That's what size this is here. So that's what it looks like when it doesn't have any beads on it. So this is the 2.5 inch memory wire that's included in your kit. And this is going to fit a variety of wrist sizes. So if I pop this on my easy bracelet sizer, it will stretch a little bit and can go all the way down to an 8 1/4 wrist. I have a 6 inch wrist, and this is how it fits on me. It's not too bad, right? It's a little bit loose, but it's not gonna fall off my hand or anything. If you do have a smaller wrist and you want a smaller bracelet, we do have a limited supply of smaller memory wire available that's 2 1/4 inch. So this is the 2.5 that comes in your kit. We do have some 2 1/4 inch that you can add to your order. They're only $3 for a pack. And this is what your 3-wrap bracelet looks on the 2 1/4. So it's a little bit smaller. And then on my wrist, oops. That's how that fits on my 6 inch wrist. So it's a little bit tighter. It's still not gonna squeeze or anything, but that's a little bit smaller. Doesn't shake so much. On the easy bracelet sizer, the smaller memory wire goes to about a 7 1/4. So those are the wires that we have available. Your kit comes with the 2.5 inch. If you need a smaller one, you can add on the 2.25 inch to your order. It's just $3 for pack of memory wire. We do not recommend this project with the oval memory wire. Oval memory wire works better when you have more wraps. The 3 wraps isn't really enough for the oval to sit correctly. It wants to just like fly off your wrist with only 3 wraps. So this one is not recommended for the Decadence bracelet. So anyway, this is the new Decadence Kumihimo bracelet kit. Very excited to share this with all of you. I think you're gonna love it.